Definitely.
If you see something you don't like, you still clap. Right, here we go. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks so much, guys. Look, I'm just going to warm up a little bit before I actually do any big tricks. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is stand on one leg. Alright, that will get me going. One leg. Hey! Woo! Thank you. Oh, wait, how about this?
Yeah, one leg, big trick. Bam.
Alright, how about this? Who thinks I could do a handstand on this moving pipe by hands? Really, like 3 people. Yeah. Thank you. Who doesn't think I can do it? Yeah, you're right. Who just doesn't care what I do as long as I get hurt? Wow, I love you too. Welcome to America. Look, I'll do it, a handstand on a moving pipe, then I get on with some real dangerous stuff. I just want to say this trick, this might not be that dangerous, but it's really hard, okay? Handstand, moving pipe. If you've got a camera, use it. This is a Kodak moment. If you're Japanese with a camera, I'll take a photo now. I'm really sorry again about the view behind me, guys. Here we go, 1. Alright, 2. 3.
Wow. No, wow.
Standing on my hands, and I'm... No, don't clap for that. If you clap for that, you've got to get out more. Thank you. Now you know I'm capable. Are you ready for some actual danger? Say yeah.